Yun.
Welcome to the Municipality of Ronda Star Award. And now, for the nominees for the best actor are Paroy, Isang Yugmo.
Ay, ang yugno.
Isang Yugmo. Cocaine, the movie. Alison, Hiwig. Ninoy, Abs ni Chris. And
Ano din alis ka para makita ang view? Alam ko na diri.
and the winner for the best actor goes to by the way, who will receive a trophy, a gangster gangster trophy goes to
Teng deng deng deng.
Baroy for Isang Yugmo.
What can you say? What can you say?
What can you say?